Suspect held following fatal stabbing of Manchester nurse. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are reporting that a 29-year-old suspect was a short while ago taken into custody following the stabbing death of his common-law spouse in Newport, Manchester. The police had earlier launched a manhunt in search of the suspect, who they identified as Kevin Leslie, otherwise called Nice, a taxi operator of Daly's Grove, Newport, and Cross Keys in Manchester. Leslie is accused of fatally stabbing his common-law wife, Shade Brown, aged 28, a surgical assistant at their home in Daly's Grove, Newport. A senior police source said that the two were at home when the dispute developed around 8:30 p.m. when Brown was fatally stabbed. A report from the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that Brown, her 11-year-old son, another child, and her common-law husband were at home when an argument developed between the couple. The police report said that the man then proceeded to use several knives to stab Brown repeatedly. She was pronounced dead at hospital. The suspect then fled the scene and was held on Saturday afternoon by members of the security force. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.